Hello, my musical friends. This is episode 4 in our video series. I have some links to the other videos. Today I want to show you some exercises that will exercise your ears and your musicality. I want to show you how to anticipate the note on the guitar before you sing it, and also how to jump around the scale in order to bridge that gap between scales and playing melodies and singing melodies. In order to sing a note, you have to hear the note in your head. So a way to exercise that is to use one of these scales and sing along with it, but anticipate the note and sing the note before the guitar plays it. Here's just a quick exercise to learn this. And that's the octave jump. So you're jumping the octave, and then you continue. Now let's sing it. Na 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 na. Now that octave jump, anticipate the note. Na na na. It helps if you play the right note every time. So let's do that again. Na 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 It would be so nice if I could hit every note and sing every note right on pitch and perfectly. You have to remember, you're practicing, you're learning, you're doing exercises. The final result is when you go out and you do an open mic, you play in front of some friends, or you just sit on your front porch, play some songs, and enjoy yourself. So I've always had trouble with learning scales and then somehow making them sound musical. I don't remember which is which, left or right, but I know that playing scales is one side of the brain and making them sound musical is the other. And I use this exercise to merge that together. This is the analytical side. It's not musical. What I do is I try and make that scale sound musical by jumping around, hearing what I'm playing, just like anticipating that octave jump. So we want to hear these notes in our head. Na 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 na. So I'm skipping notes, I'm playing what I think sounds musical, and then I'm also anticipating some notes. So I'm using a lot of the different techniques all at once in order to feel that musicality between my singing and the guitar. Na 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 na. To move them up the fretboard like we've been doing with the other exercises. Here I'm going to move it up 1 fret, and that would make that a C sharp scale. Na 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 na. I feel that is musicality being practiced. Thanks again for watching. I really hope you found something useful and interesting in my videos. If you would subscribe, that would be great. If you would like and comment on my videos, I would really appreciate it. So I will see you again in my next video.